I almost didn't think I could make it, but here we are. Hello citizens of planet Earth, it's your girl Suhaida coming your way live from my kitchen with another banger of a video. If this is your first time, I really hope you enjoy today's video, and if it is not, Ezibana! Zizi! 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 We are about to cook Tumbani. Say what? Tumbani. As well as Koose, that beautiful delicious beans cake you get with your cocoa in the morning. We'll be making Koose and Tumbani from scratch right here in my kitchen using very simple processes. I assure you, you would love to try this at home and you can thank me later. Both these dishes are vegetarian but rich in protein, so I recommend this for anybody who is looking on going on a plant-based diet. Follow along. If you haven't already hit the subscribe button at this point, you're doing yourself a great disservice. I am telling you, please don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and the notification button right now. We are waiting. Right now, so we can move on. Are you done? You hit the button? Great! Let's get started with making our beautiful dishes. Both Tumbani and Koose are made from beans powder, so we'll begin by milling these dry beans. The result should be very fine powder. If it's not fine enough, it needs to be sieved. We'll start off by splitting the beans flour into two and saving the rest for the Koose. To make Tumbani, we need to add equal parts of water to our beans flour and mix everything until smooth. Then we will add some salt and some potash for fast cooking. The next part is to steam the beans flour mixture. Traditionally, the mixture is wrapped in banana leaves and steamed in boiling water. But because it is Akara and many people can't find that, they tend to use polythene bags. I am, however, going to experiment by reusing this plastic container. Let's see how it goes. Is ready. So my experiment was a huge fail and the container ended up melting in the pot, so I had to transfer and go back to good old polythene. It's not as healthy for the environment, but anyway. Now at this stage we are going to take it out, remove the polythene bag and slice the Tumbani. Tumbani is eaten with sauce, and I usually make mine by frying a bunch of vegetables together and adding spices. We are going to mix the beans powder with some water. For every 3 tablespoons of beans powder, we will add about 5 tablespoons of water. You need to beat the Koose until it is soft and fluffy. And how you can tell that it has reached its peak is that the Koose mixture will rise in quantity. It will be really soft, and also bubbles would form as you try to beat it. I advise that you keep beating it for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you have a mixer, this whole process could be faster. There are different levels to the richness of Koose. You can simply add salt and go ahead and fry. Others choose to add assorted vegetables before frying. If you don't want the full vegetarian experience, you can add an egg or two to enhance the richness of your Koose. We will proceed to the frying process. You need to make sure that your oil is really hot at this point. If you didn't beat your mixture properly, this is where it will show. If it's not beaten properly, the Koose sinks to the bottom of the saucepan and the result is neither tasty or healthy. If it's beaten properly, it rises to the top and is soft and fluffy. We'll keep frying until it is golden brown and cooked. Then we can take it out and serve. I almost didn't think I could make it, but here we are, Koose and Tumbani. You should definitely give this a try at home. It's really simple. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so I can come your way with more sizzling videos. Next week, we'll be talking. See you there, same time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.